Greeting to all masters. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to my beloved friend Patriji, who helped me strengthen my belief in myself. Next, I want to pay my humble respects to Grandmaster Prabodh who planted the seed last year during COVID when he came to the morning UK session. I wanted to join Gudakesha at that time, but due to the inner turmoil, I couldn't muster enough courage. However, this year, Grandmaster came again in the morning wisdom sharing session to water the seed that had been lying dormant since last year. So I decided to give it a go this time. Initially, I was worried about how I would cope in the morning if I did not get enough sleep, as I have to drive to work and my working hours are long, with no breaks in between to relax. But as they say, once you commit to yourself, the universe helps you. To my surprise, I was full of energy without the day and evenings. In between, I caught a high fever, but I believe that my body needed the cleansing and the fever helped me get rid of the toxins. Many of my doubts about myself have vanished, and I now understand that this is my life. And through constant monitoring of my thoughts, I can steer my emotions and thoughts in any direction. Whenever I get carried away by negative thoughts or energies, the guidance given during Gudakesha helped me to overcome those emotions and thoughts. The guided meditation by the Grandmaster Ji helped me to be aware of the blissful moments that are around me all the time. I need to be in an acceptance mode all the time by keeping my energy high and not allowing my senses to go haywire when I face challenges in life. I must not allow my mind to fall into the trap of illusion, Maya, and start letting myself or others down. I need to be aware of my thoughts, words, and deeds all the time. This is achievable through meditation, Sajjan Sangatya, and reading spiritual books. I know the journey is long, but I'm sure that the universe is with me and will guide me in every walk of life to reach my destination as I've already started my journey. Another joyful moment for me is that I have learned the technique to do long meditations. I have also enjoyed listening to the experiences of other masters. I'm deeply grateful to Malika ji for organizing the Gudakesha sessions for us and providing her unwavering support and guidance. Whenever I had any questions, she was always there to answer them. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you.